Okay, ang problem solving ngayon ay ang part 2 ng relativistic momentum video tutorial natin. At sa part na to, or at this point, we're going to compute this problem right here by means of looking for the value of the speed of this alpha particle which this problem is referring to. So let me read the content. An alpha particle with a mass of 6.64 times 10 raised to negative 27 kilograms has a momentum of 3.75 times 10 raised to negative 19 kilograms meters per second as measured in the laboratory. What is the speed of the alpha particle in the frame of the laboratory? So we're not going to look for the momentum value. Rather, ang kailangan hanapin dito ay yung speed mismo ng alpha particle na ito na meron mga given na momentum. At this point, gagamitin natin yung converted ay yung derived equation na present sa unang part ng discussion na ito. As usual, i-jot down natin yung mga given quantities na kailangan. So, ang mass ng alpha particle na ito ay equivalent sa 6.64 times 10 raised to negative 27 kilograms. Ang kanyang momentum, which is letter P, ay equivalent sa 3.75 times 10 raised to negative 19 kilogram meters per second. Ayan. And ang letter C natin, yung speed of light ay equal sa 3 times 10 raised to 8 meters per second. What we need to look for here would be our speed or velocity. Para makuha yan, gamitin natin yung equation na ito. V equals P all over by the square root of M squared plus P squared over C squared. Yung M mo, that's the mass of the particle. Yung P, yung momentum ng particle. Letter C, yun yung speed of light. So gamit tong equation na to, isolve natin kung ano man yung kailangan hanapin dito. So pakibalikan na lang, pa-rewind na lang yung video para makita niyo yung mga given quantities. So if you're going to substitute those quantities, it will go this way. So V equals yung mass ng alpha particle ay equivalent sa, charot. Yung momentum niya ay equal sa 3.75 times 10 raised to negative 19 kilogram per meters per meter. Meters per second. My God, for the wrong ang first one. All over by the square root of M squared, which is yung mass niya ay 6.64. Kailangan natin lagyan ng close and open parenthesis para somehow mas goods yung kakalabasan ng sagot. 6.64 times 10 raised to negative 27 kilograms. Kailangan na i-square yan. Square. Plus, P square over C square. Yung momentum ay 3.75 times 10 raised to negative 19 kilogram meters per second. Kailangan natin itong i-square. Ayan. Over by the square of the speed of light din. 3 times 10 raised to 8 meters per second. For the tsaka ang sulat pero goods na yan. So pwede na, at this point, pwede namang hindi mo ilagay yung mga variables na nakadepende na lang sa'yo yan, Nukwan. So, huwag natin ilagay na. So, let's just bring this down. 3.75 times 10 raised to negative 19. Yan yung momentum natin. Tapos, kunin natin yung square ng mass ng particle na yan. 6.64 times 10 raised to negative 27. Square, that would be equal to approximately 4.409 times 10 raised to negative 53. Nakadepende sa inyo pero sa akin 3 decimal places yung ginawa kong pag-round dito. Plus, yung square ng momentum dito, 3.75 times 10 raised to negative 19 square. Or 3.75 times 10 raised to negative 19 times 3.75 times 10 raised to negative 19 is, ang magiging sagot ay equals sa 1.406 times 10 raised to negative 37. Yeah, raised to negative 37. Close and open parenthesis. O lahat na lang yan, lagyan natin ng close and open parenthesis. exponent yan yung negative 53 na yan. All over by yung square ng speed of light, 3 times 10 raised to 8 times, square mo yan, this will be equal sa 9 times 10 raised to 16. Ayan. So further manipulation, 3.75 times 10 raised to negative 19 quantity square root. So ibaba lang muna natin tong value ng m square, which is 4.409 times 10 raised to negative 53 plus saka pangit na no. Okay, so 1.406 times 10 raised to negative 37 divided by 9 times 10 raised to 16, that could be equal to approximately 1.562 times 10 raised to negative 54. Ayan. Pag din natin itong dalawang value na to, saka natin kunin yung square root niya. So tuloy lang tayo. Tiyaga lang tayo kahit na tsaka ang sulat. So kopihin ulit yung momentum kanina na 3.75 times 10 raised to negative 19 kilogram per meters per second. All over by the square root of, yun na. So pag inad mo yung 4.409 times 10 raised to negative 53 dito sa 1.562 times 10 raised to negative 54, the sum will be equal to, magiging equal sa ano yan, sa 4.565 times 10 raised to negative 53. Mahalagang lagyan natin ng close and open parenthesis itong nasa denominator para hindi magkaroon ng error sa computation. Kasi pag di mo nilagyan ng close and open parenthesis yan, magkakaroon ka ng error. Ay, wala na pala tayong equation. Ay, wala na pala tayong variable, no? Kahit tanggalin na natin itong andito. Tanggal na yan. Again, lahat-lahat ng video ko ay hindi perfect. Bahala na kayong umunawa kung gusto nyo unawain. Pag hindi, di goods lang. Okay. So, ang square root po ng kopihin ko lang to, ng 4.565 times 10 raised to negative 53 ay equal sa 6.756 times 10 raised to negative 27. Now, if you're going to divide these two values right here, 3.75 times 10 raised to negative 19 divided by 6.756 times 10 raised to negative 27, we would end up with an answer which is equal to 55,506,216.7 meters per second. Pero mas okay kung i-convert natin to into scientific notation, pagiging 5.6 times 10 raised to 7 meters per second. So yan yung paraan para kahit paano mo-compute mo yung speed or velocity ng isang relativistic momentum problem solving. That's it. Thank you for listening kahit na hindi kagandahan ang problem solving na sulat ko. Bye. Ingat po.